Okay, here's the Kshatriya. It's really huge compared to a standard box. And let's see what we've got inside. Joey, you're really going to like this one. Help me out a little. Okay, Joey was talking about his HGUC having 10 sprues. Let's see what we have. Wings, 2 sprues, just for a wing. Here's all our little bits. That's 3 so far. More, and the beam sabers. So that's...
Sabers, plural.
So that's 4 so far. 5 if you count the beam sabers. 6 and 7.
Wait, actually, 8. Looks like one. Oh no, those are.
No, that's just on the edge. 8 and 9, of course, if we're counting the polycap sprue. 10 and 11, the other 2 wings.
You have a problem.
I don't have a problem.
You have a solution.
I have the solution to all problems. 12, which this seems to be the waist assembly. 13 and 14. Or, of course, 12 if you're not counting the polycap sprue and the beam saber sprue, which, fair enough. And that's the Kshatriya, and now we're going to go and watch more unicorn.